I had a feeling it was either gonna end with a pass or a crash, and I was right.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
That was an awesome fall.
Mason, do you know where your goggles are? Do you have your goggles? You don't? Can you go look for his goggles?
I got my no idea on it.
We need to get a gear bag to keep track of everything. We need to get bike stands. We need to get biking lessons. We need to get a whole bunch of stuff. Hey, Jason Anderson, why don't you tuck your shirt in? Let's check out your gear. Okay, we got the bike style. The bikes are looking fresh. Mason.
I got you, bro.
We got the twerking Mason. Sporting the Alpine Star gear. Don't throw his goggles. And we got Luke. Check it out. Let's do a quick gear review. How do you like your gear?
I like it.
All right, guys, I think we're all set. We're gonna head out to Riverdale. This is gonna be the first ride of the 2019 season. Mason's got his new plastic, his new graphics set up, so he's looking fresh.
Riding in 2019.
The only problem is I haven't started the bikes in a few months. Unfortunately, we live in a condo community. It's kind of hard to start these bikes because they're so loud. When we had the little 4-strokes, we got away with it. We could start the 4-strokes, ride them around a little bit. But Mason's bike, even though it's a 50, it's super loud. And it just so happens that our neighbor over here, he hates loud noises and kids and life. So we can't start the bikes here. We're just gonna chance it, and hopefully they start and run okay when we get to the track. So let's do it. Hey guys, knock it off. Stop yelling. Stop screaming. Good, what's going on, man?
Another day. You all right, sir?
All right. Thanks, buddy.
Go have fun.
Thanks. Good thing it's not really cold out, huh? That would suck.
Yeah.
How many times did I tell you not to block the camera?
I can see you. Daddy, why are you so small?
Here, come video this.
Yeah.
Come video.
Uh-huh.
Okay, Mason. So these are little guards that go in front of the radiator. So if a rock comes up and hits the radiator, it'll block it. And these get cracked pretty easy, but that's okay because it's better that they get cracked and you have to get a new one than you bend the radiator. Always cross my fingers on cold starts like this. Glad it worked out.
I told him to wait for me so I could show him where not to go.
looks like the water guy really overdid it this time.
A few inches later.
My eyes are kind of cold.
Let me see your hands. All right.
Call it a day.
We're not gonna call it a day. You guys did like 5 laps and now their hands are numb and cold and they say it's too cold to ride.
Give me a shirt.
Basically we got here long enough for me to spend money and get the bikes dirty so I have to wash them and get your gear dirty so I have to wash them. That's pretty much all we had time for, and now you want to leave? I guess this is partly my fault because I didn't get warmer gloves for the boys and I said for them to bring hoodies but they said they couldn't find them. At least your bike looks good, Mason.
Hurry and go buy me a sweatshirt.
I did buy one and you don't know where it is.
I know.
I bought you a perfectly good motocross hoodie and you don't know where it is. So we've got some thicker MX gloves. We're gonna see if that helps at all.
I got the most
Take 2. Take 2. Let's see if they make me proud or not. Make me proud, Luke! More proud, Mason! I want to be more proud! Luke's getting on it. Mason's kind of timid. He's still timid on the Cobra. I'm not going to push it today, especially with how slick and wet the track is. I'm not going to push it. If he wants to coast around on it today, that's fine. We've got lots of time to work on it in the future. I know a lot of people in the comments are probably like, hey, your kids are just learning, they're beginners. Why do you spend so much money on graphics and multiple sets of gear with their name on the back? You know, here's the way I look at it. If Mason's going to be the slowest kid on the track, he might as well be the best looking kid on the track. He's got that going for him. See, look at this. Look at this. Look at that style. Nice. Luke's getting on it. All right, well, they did pretty good. Luke definitely pushed it. He definitely improved and went a lot faster. They want to go warm up for a little bit, so I don't know if we're done. I don't know if they're going to want to go back out in a little bit. We'll see what happens, but man, Mason is just not as fast as he was a year ago. He's really timid on the Cobra, and I don't know if the Cobra is just not for him. I don't know what he feels. I don't know if he's just not comfortable on it. I don't know if he doesn't like how finicky the power is, but I think we'll give it a few months. We'll get into riding this springtime, see if we can find like another kid on a fast 50, see if he can learn from him and see if that'll help. If that doesn't work, I don't know, maybe we'll get him a KLX 110 and let him just ride that. Good job, guys.
Was I doing better?
Yeah, you were. Yeah.
Now I know why you told me that.
What?
They said they'll keep my knees like squeezed right. Yeah, because now I do it.
What happened? Did you fall?
Yeah, and then people help me out.
Did you just slip or what happened?
I think he got caught in the water. Stuck in a pile of dirt and my bike fell.
Are you okay or are you hurt?
No.
Oh no, look what happened to that donut.
No! No!
Was this yours, Mason? Should we return it? It didn't have almost any frosting on there. That's ridiculous. Who would want that? It's like another battle.
Yeah, look at these little kids out here, man.
Yeah. Luke has a chest protector on with all that roost he's getting from the KTM 65. All right, what's that I hear? Is that the best looking bike on the track? Oh yeah, there it is. This is like deja vu over here. Every lap. Right behind him. Well, I forgot the GoPro again. I'm sorry guys, I'm just out of the swing of things. It's been a while. I just trying to get everything ready to go. It's one thing I forgot the GoPro, which would have came in handy right now with this battle going on. But on the plus side, I did climb up on top of this big pile of wood. Come on, Luke. Just grab another gear and go after it, dude. Oh, or not. I had a feeling it was either gonna end with a pass or a crash. And I was right. But that just means he was pushing it is all. Good job, 96! This is turning out to be a pretty good turnout. There wasn't very many people here at first, but sweet, we got a few fast 65 riders. Oh, do we got an outside pass? I like it, searching for new lines. Good job, Luke. I like it. We got Mason chilling in the El Camino, warming up his hands, and I'm just walking around the track looking for different angles, getting different shots of this battle going on between the 65s. Doing good, bro.
Me and that kid were having like a really big battle.
Yeah.
Like I would take first, he would take first back.
Really? That was awesome, dude. Yeah, but you were on it. You were cruising. You got a little bit of dirt. A little bit of dirt on your face there, Luke. All right, kids, I want to get some good berm busting shots. Ready? Perfect. That was exactly what I wanted.
Like we were even flying past the grown-ups when me and that kid were battling.
Yeah, you were passing some of the big bikes for sure. We got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of cleaning to do from today. So I hope it was worth it, Luke. But that's the best kind of kid to ride with, because he didn't just like leave you in the dust. He was better than you, but like attainable. Like you were able to keep up with him for a little bit.
In the turns, I was better. In some straightaways, I was faster.
Yeah, it seemed like you were faster. Like you were railing this turn over here pretty good, and it seems like you would almost get him on the tabletop, but then he'd pull away a little bit in the back section. But that's the perfect kind of kid for you to ride with, because he's better than you, but not like, yeah, not way better, just better enough for you to push yourself to try to keep up with him for a little bit. That was perfect. I mean, what you don't want is you don't want somebody like me riding with you where you're not even gonna be able to see me because I'm so far ahead of you like that. You don't want something like that. That wouldn't be good.
Oh no, Dad.
Hey guys, knock it off. Stop yelling. Stop screaming. You're doing great, Mason. Is that earwax?